This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 42 1 hour.
أين المحلات؟
ها هي هناك.
هل هذا مطعم وجبات خفيفة؟
نعم.
أريد فنجانا من الشاي، كما أريد شطيرة.
باقي أمامنا ساعة واحدة فقط.
لماذا؟
لأن العشاء في الساعة 7.
هذا صحيح.
Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourself saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video. In A1 Lesson 42, we learned about 1 hour. In Lesson 43, we will, inshallah, learn about postcards. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.